Hey, everybody, nice to be here. I'm back for part 2 of 6 of opening the Disneyland Hidden Mickey for 2025. If you want to see what we got in my last video, go. I'll be labeled Disneyland Hidden Mickey part 1. I got these from TikTok Croc Shop, like TikTok Croc from Peter Pan. And you find them on Instagram and TikTok. And 2 come in a big bag. And they do Disneyland shopping. We're hoping for anyone. Oh yes, I wanted this one. This one of the ones I wanted. Piglet. Because they did a pink set and Disney World did the blue set. We got Piglet. He is not the chaser. Well, I don't really care if I get the chaser. Well, I do care because there's some the chasers I want. But... Oh, I know who this is going to. Because I'm not collecting it. This is Barrel, though, I think. But I know who this is going to. And she'll be very happy. I collect only certain characters from my birthday before Christmas. And so, my friend Audrey Thundermoose, this is going to be for you. But so these are what we got. So, this is for me. This is for my friend Audrey. And that's all for now. Stay tuned. We have 4 more bags open. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.